Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE X80 and today I'll show you how to access the factory mode on the device. So to get started, let's hold power key and select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, what you want to do is hold power key and volume down, so both of them at the same time. And this will take us to the factory mode. And once you see the logo let go, if you hold it too long, the device will simply reboot and go back to beginning basically. So from here, you should be then in the factory mode, and in this mode you will use volume down key to navigate. Volume up does nothing, so you have to circle all the way through, and power key will be used to confirm. Now as you can see, at least for me, this is not in English. But the gist of it is the first two options are for testing, so you have manual test and automatic test. Then you have test reports, debug test options, wipe EMMC, which is below here. Then you have versions or info about the version, and as a last option it is the reboot. So I'm gonna select the last one just to leave this mode, and once it's selected like this, press power key to confirm that, and you can see rebooting. Give it a moment and it will just simply go back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.